Y'all like the new helmet? You know what? I have found out that the helmet doesn't fit right. Look at this. See how it comes down a little bit? It shouldn't do that as much. So I think I might have a size too big. This is a 3XL. I might try a 2XL from them. See what happens. But it's just a license plate. I'm out the park with the Ninja today. She got rained on. Needs a detail and it's dirty. Saw this dirty Ninja. Oh, I love this motorcycle, let me tell you. I will be doing a long-term review on the bike soon. Look at the beautiful flowers out today on Mother's Day. I've talked to my mom today. I'm going to go out with her later on in the week for lunch. We didn't want to go out today. It's just too packed. This is beautiful. I think those are what, Indian paintbrush? So everybody's out. It's a nice mid-70s day. This kids have a little blow-up thing over there. Lots of people out today. But you know, I have not done a video for 3 weeks. And the main problem was basically that the city slicker is broken again. I got the Ninja in the background. Yeah, unfortunately the city slicker, just like I feared in my last video, the battery, the replacement battery went kaputski. And so they're gonna have to send me another battery. And I've been waiting a month now for the new battery to come in. What happens is you turn the key on and nothing happens. You put the charger in, the screen will come on. I rode it a block and it broke down on me and I had to push it home from my neighbor's house. So there's no reliability in it at all right now. But they got a device from China to help reprogram the battery. So they're doing some programmatic changes to the battery. Then they're gonna send me one because they don't want to have to send batteries back and forth. So we'll see what happens. I don't really have any confidence in the bike right now, you know, until it could prove to me that it's reliable. As far as my YouTube channel, there's some more videos to be coming up. I ordered a table, some studio lights, some things and a stand, a tripod, to try to do some solar shows in my house. I'm going to try to make my solar wall a little backdrop to a little solar show. But I could also use that to do motorcycle videos and stuff. So somewhere to film inside. Then I'm going to change editing from Blender to DaVinci Resolve. And that should give me better editing capabilities and a little bit snazzier videos. So that's my plan. So just stick tight, guys, and we're gonna try to crank some quality videos out, something for you to enjoy watching. But just a little update about what's going on with me. The Lyme disease it's been tough, man. It's been still trying to kill me. But I'm taking all that vitamin C and all the pills I talked about. I'll do an update on that too, but it has made me a little tired, but I am pretty pain-free, so that's the main thing. All right. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll get some quality videos out for you guys shortly. Have a great one. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. Love you, Mom. Bye-bye.